Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to withdraw your USDT directly to your local bank account using the Giant Wallet app. It is simpler than you think and it takes less than a minute. Let us get into it. First things first, make sure you have the Giant Wallet app installed on your phone. If you do not have it yet, just go to the Google Play Store, type Giant Wallet in the search bar, look for the app with our logo and hit download. Simple. Once the app is installed, you can either import your existing wallet using your recovery phrase or create a brand new wallet. If you're creating a new wallet, please make sure you copy your recovery phrase and keep it somewhere safe and private. Do not share it with anyone. This is very important. Giant Wallet is a non-custodial wallet. That means we do not hold your keys. If you lose your recovery phrase, we cannot help you recover it, so please keep it safe. Now, once your wallet is set up, make sure you have USDT in your wallet. Also make sure you have a small amount of BNB available as well. This is needed to cover the gas fee for the blockchain transaction. It is a very small amount, but it is required. All good? Great. Let us make the withdrawal. Tap on the withdrawal icon inside the Giant Wallet app. Next, select your country, Nigeria or Kenya. Under the amount section, type in the amount you want to withdraw in USDT. You will immediately see the current conversion rate from dollars to your local currency and the estimated amount you will receive in your bank account. Now scroll down to the bank details section. Select your bank name from the list, then enter your account number, then enter the account name. For this demonstration, I will be using the Giant Token Charity Foundation account details. Once your bank details are entered, you will see the terms and conditions. Please take a moment to read them before accepting, then tick the box to accept. Now tap Cash Out Now. And just like that, it is done. As simple as that. In less than a minute, the funds should arrive directly in your chosen bank account. No P2P, no middlemen, no stress, just you and your bank. If you found this helpful, make sure you download Giant Wallet on Google Play today. And stay tuned, we are coming to the Apple App Store very soon. The future is giant, giantwalletapp.com.